I think I've learned a couple things with this track. Really, you want to be outside here, and then you can tuck in, and then you can make that. All right, I'm going out for the first qualifier with the EB48, and I figured just for the first practice lap, I can talk to you about this track, some of the techniques you might want to do. Okay, so you come flying down the straight, and then this jump here gives you the biggest kick. You can see how much air you get. That was way too much. Oh, it just turned off. Oh no!
Marshall on the track now.
It's on a button. It just had a big slap and then turned off. Seems okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Straight line close. Ligne droite fermée. Straight close. Close to your position. Mark 1, 2, 3, Marshall.
Okay, that was a rough start.
Ensuite, moins 3. Stéphane, John, Carol, René et Marco. C'est la course numéro 2, race number 2.
So there I was really cautious, because if you screw up that double in the corner, you get Marshall chicks forever. That's a blind spot back there. You gotta roll this one easy. Oh, that was too much. And then full throttle, let off, full throttle. Easy on there, hit the brakes.
Okay, après la première tour, Paul, Stéphane Lavoie, Daryl, Stéphane Roland, René, Marco, Jean, Martin, Jonathan, Lily. Oh, Stéphane Lavoie qui vient de prendre la tête avec un KSS de 35.797, Paul avec 35.616, Daryl 37.5, oh Daryl, seconde part. Bon, Daryl, il reste 3 minutes à faire, parce que pendant la tête, il y a Daryl, Paul, Stéphane, Martin, René, Marco, Jean, Jonathan, il est passé au 2. Ok, c'est sûr. Bon, Stéphane Lavoie qui est fastest lap de 35.794. Il est toujours en avant avec un pace de 9 en 22. Daryl, 9 laps 26. Paul Porte, 9 laps 31. René avec un pace de 8 en 7. Stéphane Roland, 8 en 9. Martin, 8 en 10. Oh, Martin qui vient de prendre la 5e place. Oh, Marco qui vient de monter en 6e maintenant. Marco qui est fastest lap de 38.452. Il est serré pour notre 4e, 5e et 6e position. Il reste moins de 2 minutes 30 à faire. Toujours Stéphane Lavoie en tête.
Let's try and do this right for you. You're going to hit this with some authority, and then, like I was a bit shy, so yeah, screwed that up. Could be a bit more forceful.
Oh, Daryl, take the lead. Oh, Daryl, you got to a pace of 2 runs. You got to a pace of 9 en 24 and 9 laps of 24. Stéphane Lavoie deuxième avec un pace de 9 en 27. Paul Porte. Oh, Paul Porte take the second point. Il reste moins de 1 minute à faire. Toujours Daryl en tête de Paul, Stéphane, Martin, Jonathan, René, Marco, Stéphane Roland, John Kennedy et lui. One on straight. Okay, secure.
Really screwing this up.
Il reste 2 minutes à faire, toujours. Oh, Paul, tête de ligne. Oh non, Stéphane vient de reprendre la tête. Il est parti sur le tête de TQ Run. Stéphane Lavoie avec un 924, c'est Paul.
Attention, straight, restez intérieur straight. Stay inside straight. Here.
Paul, en deuxième place, c'est Gary Third. Martin 4, Jonathan 5, 6, Marco 7, René, Stéphane Rogon 8, 9, Billy et 10, John. Il reste moins de 50 secondes à faire.
Oh, come on.
There, that was how you do it right.
Watch the ball.
Hit double, stay intérieur, stay inside triple double. Stay inside triple double. Here.
Il reste moins de 20 secondes à faire. Toujours Stéphane Lavoie en tête. Il est derrière Paul. Martin, oh, René vient de prendre la 4e place. Jonathan en 5e. Marco 6, Martin 7, Stéphane Rogon 8, John 9 et Louis 10. Attention à votre leader. Marco, watch your leader, it's your leader. Oh, Marco. Watch your leader. Paul, finish. Attention, double.
Attention, straight line. Stay outside straight line. The exterior straight line. Here. Stéphane terminé. René terminé. Marco, you're done. Martin terminé. Bélanger terminé. John, you're done. Rémi terminé. Il manque Darrow et Stéphane à compléter leur tour. Darrow, you're done. Terminé tout le monde. Terminé.
So everyone's done? Okay, I'm going to go out for qualifier 2 with the EB48.3, and I just want to show you guys how I try and do the track now that I've got a bit more runs on it. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this one, you want to kind of get that nice, hit the sweet spot in the middle. Take this one. Too much jam.
Donc, c'est juste séparation. C'est double, restez extérieur, triple double, c'est outside.
I'm just taking it easy now, but I think I've learned a couple things with this track. Really, you want to be outside here, and then you can tuck in, and then you can make that. That's pretty much how you want to do it. And then for this off-camber hump, you want to try and stay up top. It's quicker to stay up top. Come down. And then the double doubles you have to hit with some authority to make it, so you want to get that one a little bit more, and then, but its depth perception's hard. As you see, I just flew off.
En préparation, course numéro 15 is preparation. Each number 16.
I blew a tire. I ejected my phone. See if I can finish.
que nos leaders viennent de compléter leur deuxième lap. Mathieu Bourgoin a gardé la tête avec une avance de 2,5 secondes. Suivi par Cowboy en deuxième position. Ensuite, c'est Devant en droite. Suivant en quatrième place. Ensuite, Loïc en cinquième.
Traction has come way up.
John 9, Carol 6, Jonathan 11 et Greg 12. Il reste 3 minutes, 8 minutes to go. Minute 30 seconds left. Avec 2 minutes 30 à faire. David Devin est en tête avec 0,2 secondes de lead. Mathieu Bourgoin est en deuxième position. 4 secondes à Mathieu, c'est Cowboy. Ensuite, Andrew en quatrième, Gabriel en 5, Loïc en 6, Lenny 7, John 8, Justin 9, Carl 10, Craig 11, Jonathan 12. Il reste 6 minutes à faire, 30 minutes left. Très serré pour la première position, mais du deux ici au groupe. Sur la première épingle, suivi de 3
The yield from Marshall there screwed me up.
Attention qui se crée, restez intérieur. Mieux.
Parlez! Parlez!
Change the zone, 15 seconds. Attention en rentrant les frames.
Désolé, Jonathan.
Andrew terminé. Donc, on rappelle pour tous les marshals, il faut garder notre point pour la course. Just a reminder for all my marshals. Cowboy terminé, Lenny terminé, Gary terminé, Justin terminé, Mathieu terminé. So the reminder, watch your corner and not the race, please. Watch your corner, not the race. Position finale.
Oh my goodness. That was ridiculous. I ejected my foam right out of my tire on the first or second lap. That was crazy.